Jerry Clemente.
Ano pong strand nyo?
Yums.
First question, how would you describe your high school experience in one sentence?
Happy.
How did your teachers help shape your learning experience?
Si Sir Ralph kung tumulong sa akin kung paano ko naayos yung mga kailangan ko ayusin. And sobrang thankful ako kasi tulungan niya ako.
Were you involved in any clubs, organization, or sport?
Varsity ako ng basketball. Senior high.
What did you gain from them? Scholarship.
Scholarship.
What are your plans after graduating from senior high school?
Continue in varsity in PCU college.
What advice would you give to incoming senior high school students?
Siguro kailangan nilang pag-igiyanin, pagsikapan kung anong gusto nila kunin.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Successful.
Ayun na po. Okay na po, ipopost namin sa PCU NSTP, Thank you po.